Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Makita lawn tools are probably one of the most sought-after brands for homeowners and professionals alike, offering a robust range of battery-powered and corded equipment designed to tackle any yard work with efficiency and power. Whether you're dealing with a small urban garden or a sprawling suburban landscape, Makita's commitment to innovation means you get tools that are not only powerful but also ergonomic, durable, and designed for ease of use, ensuring your lawn care routine is less of a chore and more of a satisfying accomplishment. Number 5. WORX WG896 Electric Lawn Edger and Trencher. Experience professional-grade power with its robust 12-amp motor. It spins the 7.5-inch blade at an impressive 4,700 revolutions per minute for clean, precise lines and edges every time. Adapt to any landscaping challenge with 3 adjustable cutting depths, 1 inch, 1 to 1/4 inches, and 1 to 1/2 inches. Achieve the perfect cut for any task. Stay perfectly on track with the integrated cutting line indicator. This feature ensures straight, clean lines, making your edging and trenching jobs look professionally done. Designed for comfort, its adjustable shaft and D-grip handle allow users of any height to find an ergonomic and comfortable working position. This versatile tool is perfect for both lawn edging and trenching. Tackle multiple landscaping tasks with one efficient, corded electric device. Engineered with advanced technology and efficiency, it's built to last. Create a cost-effective tool collection that stands the test of time. What we like. If you need precise lines and clean edges for your landscaping projects, this corded electric edger is a fantastic choice. Its powerful motor and adjustable depth settings make it ideal for detailed work. If you're looking for a tool that offers professional-looking results and versatility for both edging and trenching, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Makita lawn mower is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around obstacles. I was impressed with the battery life. It lasted for my entire large yard on a single charge. The cutting performance is excellent, leaving a clean and even cut every time. Number 4. Makita 18V LXT Cordless Grass Shear. Introducing the Makita 18V LXT Cordless Grass Shear, a versatile tool designed for your landscaping needs. Experience efficient cutting with its powerful motor. Enjoy up to 3 hours of operation on a single charge with a compatible 5.0 Ah battery. This allows you to tackle larger jobs without interruption. Its Makita-built motor delivers an impressive 2,500 SPM, ensuring quick and clean cuts every time. You'll achieve professional results with ease. Effortlessly switch between grass shear and hedge trimmer functions with the innovative 2-in-1 quick blade change system. This tool adapts to your specific task. The grass shear offers convenient 3-stage cutting height adjustments, ranging from 9/16 to 1 inch. Find the perfect height for your lawn. Featuring a 6 to 5/16 inch shear blade with dual cutting action, it maximizes efficiency for a superior finish. Get the job done faster and better. What we like. For those who need a compact and versatile tool for tidying up grass edges and light shrubbery, this cordless shear is perfect. Its ability to switch between grass shearing and hedge trimming makes it incredibly convenient. If you appreciate quick tool changes and need a solution for detailed garden maintenance, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Makita lawn mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. Its battery life is impressive, allowing for extended use on a single charge, which is great for larger yards. The cutting performance is excellent, providing a clean and even cut on various grass types. Number 3. Makita XRU23Z 18V LXT Cordless String Trimmer. Tired of gas-powered tools? This cordless trimmer offers a quieter, low-maintenance alternative. Say goodbye to pull starts and messy oil mixing. Experience efficient power with its BL brushless motor, delivering an impressive 6,000 revolutions per minute. It provides consistent performance for all your trimming needs. Get up to an hour of operation on a single charge with a 4.0 Ah battery. This allows you to complete your yard work without frequent interruptions. Easily manage power and run time with the high-low button. This feature helps you optimize performance based on the task at hand. Achieve the perfect cut every time thanks to the variable speed trigger. You can precisely control the cutting speed for different types of vegetation. Enjoy reduced maintenance and low noise levels compared to traditional trimmers. It's designed for user comfort and convenience. What we like. If you're tired of the hassle of gas-powered trimmers, this cordless string trimmer is a game-changer. Its brushless motor provides efficient power, and the variable speed trigger offers control for different tasks. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, quiet, and powerful solution for trimming your lawn, this tool is a top contender. What people say. The Makita lawn mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver around obstacles. The battery life on the Makita trimmer is impressive, lasting for extended periods of use. Makita's string trimmer features a powerful motor that cuts through thick grass with ease. Number 2. Makita 18V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Introducing our cordless hedge trimmer, designed for ultimate freedom. Say goodbye to cords and gas, and hello to effortless gardening. This tool is perfect for trimming bushes, shrubs, and grass. Its 20-inch dual-action blades and powerful motor make light work of most garden tasks. Your safety is paramount. With a protective baffle, front hand guard, and a 2-step starting mechanism, you can trim with confidence. Experience exceptional cutting performance with SK5 dual-action blades. They stay sharp and stable, powered by a motor that reaches up to 1,350 revolutions per minute for efficient results. It's incredibly easy to use and maintain. If it gets stuck, simply release and continue. Regular cleaning ensures a long lifespan for your new garden companion. Enjoy the convenience of using your existing Makita 18V batteries. Work freely and efficiently without any power restrictions. What we like. This cordless hedge trimmer is ideal for homeowners who want to maintain their bushes and shrubs with ease. Its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries means you can leverage your existing power tools. If you're looking for a tool with a good cutting capacity and dual-action blades for efficient trimming, this is a solid choice for garden upkeep. What people say. The Makita lawn mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver around obstacles. The battery life on the Makita string trimmer is impressive, lasting for extended periods of use. The Makita leaf blower has excellent power and effectively clears debris from the yard. Number 1. Makita XUX02SM1X418V LXT Cordless Couple Shaft Power Head Kit. Introducing the Makita XUX02SM1X4, a powerful cordless couple shaft power head kit. Experience efficient yard work without the hassle of gas, oil, or pole starts. It features a BL brushless motor that delivers impressive speed and performance. Tackle trimming and sawing tasks with ease thanks to its robust power. Switching between attachments is a breeze with the lever-style lock system. You can quickly and easily install or replace tools without any extra tools. This kit comes complete with a 13-inch string trimmer and a 10-inch pole saw attachment. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your outdoor maintenance needs. Powered by 18V LXT lithium-ion technology, this tool ensures reliable and long-lasting performance. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with this advanced power head kit. What we like. If you value versatility and want a single power unit for various yard tasks, this couple shaft system is for you. With attachments for trimming and pruning, it's a space-saving and efficient solution. If you're looking for a powerful, cordless system that can adapt to different needs in your garden, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The Makita lawn mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. The battery life on the Makita string trimmer is impressive, allowing for extended use on a single charge. Makita's leaf blower offers powerful airflow, quickly clearing debris from driveways and lawns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.